terror. This dirty job is their mind's own great error. Please don't do anything that scares. Now the day